India is set to invest 85,000 crore rupees, approximately $10 billion, to procure 112 domestically built crude oil tankers by 2040, aiming to enhance energy security and reduce reliance on foreign vessels. The initiative, led by the Petroleum and Shipping Ministries, mandates that only ships constructed within India, even with foreign collaboration, will be considered for purchase. The first phase involves acquiring 79 ships, including 30 medium-range carriers, with an initial order for 10 tankers expected soon. Currently, Indian-built tankers constitute about 5% of the nation's fleet. The government aims to increase this to 7% by 2030 and ambitiously to 69% by 2047, aligning with India's goal of becoming a developed nation by its centenary of independence. To support this transformation, a 25,000 crore rupees Maritime Development Fund has been announced to strengthen the shipping sector and incentivize domestic shipbuilding. Despite global shifts toward renewable energy, India plans to expand its crude oil refining capacity from the current 250 million tons to 450 million tons annually by 2030, driven by growing domestic and export demand for petroleum products. This expansion underscores India's commitment to securing its energy needs while bolstering its maritime infrastructure. The strategic investment in domestically built tankers and refinery capacity not only aims to ensure uninterrupted energy trade flows but also positions India as a significant player in the global maritime economy. By fostering local shipbuilding and expanding refining capabilities, India is taking pivotal steps toward energy self-reliance and economic development.